You know, we did this prediction yesterday on EURJPY. I told you guys clearly that EURJPY will come to tap this resistance level, and it did exactly what we predicted it to do. If you've not watched the analysis we did yesterday, you can go back to the channel to watch it and confirm. Market eventually came to that bullish move. You can see this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe, you need to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop more quality updates on EURJPY, don't miss out on those updates. Now the market has got to tap this resistance level, right? Which we expected it to do so, right? Now it has given us a pullback. Expect it to come back again to tap this resistance level and possibly break above it, thereby forming a high. So what I'm trying to say is that for the day, we will be anticipating for a bullish move on EURJPY. So if you are not yet in the buy on your EURJPY, going for your buy. If you are in the buy already, I would say still holding your buy because EURJPY will still push up. More movement to the upside is still what we are going to be expecting. So more updates will be dropping. So stay updated, subscribe so you will not miss out on your